As we have seen in my previous videos, responsive search ads can be a really useful tool in your Google Ads campaign. Hello, I'm Uzair and thanks for joining in. In this video, I'll discuss some best practices for creating responsive search ads and some key mistakes to try and avoid. Ideally, within each ad group, Google recommends including at least 2 expanded text ads and 1 responsive search ad. Best practices. To get started in creating your responsive search ad, you should review the Add Responsive Search Ads recommendation within Google Ads. Make sure to include as many relevant, unique headlines and descriptions as you can. Avoid redundant headlines. Too many irrelevant headlines and descriptions can limit the system's ability to put together suitable ad combinations. Volume of content. Be sure to provide at least 8 to 10 headlines. This means that the system has more options from which to assemble your messages into relevant ads, improving overall performance. Make sure that the headlines are unique and don't repeat similar phrases and include a keyword in at least 2 of them. Reuse content. You can use headlines and descriptions from your existing text ads, particularly ones that have been performing well. If it works well in your Google Ads search ad campaigns, then it is likely to succeed in your responsive search ads as well. I hope you enjoyed this video and would love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for your time and I look forward to seeing you soon in my next video.